Welcome to this demonstration of GALSync in the new Cloudiway platform. Cloudiway provides all-in-one solutions for cloud migration and enterprise coexistence. We help IT service providers to migrate mailboxes, files, archives, sites, teams from different collaboration tools with just a few clicks. With over 10 years of experience, Cloudiway has enabled the success of many partners and customers all around the world, thanks to the ability to handle and run smooth transitions without any downtimes. In this video, we will cover the process to use GALSync between Office 365 and G Suite tenants. Mergers and acquisitions can lead to a business using more than one mail system, but how do users find internal contacts on different email systems? The answer is GALSync from Cloudiway. Automatically synchronize contacts in all global address lists so that all mail systems remain up to date without any manual intervention. With that being said, let's get started. Once you have logged in and created a project, make sure that licenses are available for GALSync. We recommend to open Cloudiway.com in a separate window, go to Resources, Admin Guides. Open and follow the Create Connectors and the Admin Guide GALSync pages. In 3 steps and with very little setup, let's connect an Office 365 and a G Suite tenant. Step number 1. Create your connectors. Click on Connectors. Click on New. Select the connector type. Set a name. Click on Next. Select GALSync product. Now open the Office 365 Connector Configuration Guide. Everything is described to enter the different credentials, tenant name, server region, domain name, etc. Please note that the account must be Global Tenant Administrator. Once you have entered everything, click Next, then Complete. Please be patient and do not refresh this page. The creation may take a few minutes. Now, you want to create a second connector for your G Suite tenant. Set a name, then click on Next. Select GALSync. On the configuration page, you only need to enter your domain name and administrator account. Click Next. Then Complete. Please make sure your Google admin is well set up. Check our G Suite Connector Configuration Guide. This article explains how to configure a G Suite connector and the Google feeds you need in your Google Admin Console. You need to give Cloudiway permissions to access your data through the Google APIs. Step number 2. Configure GALSync. Now that both of your connectors are ready, you must configure them for GALSync. Following the GALSync Admin Guide, go to GALSync. Configuration. Select your connector. Regarding the Office 365 connector, in Pull Options, select if you wish to enable the following options: pull groups, pull disabled users, etc. Then, in Pulling Filter, you can specify filters to synchronize only the objects of your choice. For Office 365, you can define various pushing options: contact, mail-enabled user, guest user, etc. Then, the push customizations allow you to select the attributes to push. Click on Next. Then Complete. You want to set up your second connector. Click on New again. Select your G Suite connector. Then, follow the same steps. Set the pull options. Pulling filters. Push customizations. Click on Next, then Complete. Step number 3, run the synchronization. The Actions section allows you to synchronize between tenants manually. Or, when your rules are correct, you can automate and schedule the synchronizations. To manually synchronize, choose your source and target connectors. Then select an action, pull, push, or simulate. You can check the simulation results by clicking on the job in the History section from the side menu. Then, clicking on View Simulation. To automate and schedule the synchronizations, select your source and target connectors. Ensure that the automatic run is enabled. Then click on the clock button. Use the various tabs, hourly, daily, etc., to plan the synchronization. If you are concerned you might have any difficulty completing these steps, please consider a solution with our consulting team. Don't forget to select your time zone. Finally, click on the Add button above. And that's it. You can go to the History section to monitor your task's execution, check the status of your jobs, and visualize the results. Click on a job to display the results of the synchronization, creations, modifications, etc. The jobs logs are available under the Jobs list. And this concludes our demonstration for today. Remember that our Help button is always here in the top menu if you need help or assistance. Our consultant team helps you define the best migration strategy and ensure you can meet your deadlines. Thank you for watching our demonstration.